What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over Polygon, guys. Remember yesterday I said trade cautiously, not financial advice, but don't be afraid to take some profits, because when we do sell off, we can sell off quite swiftly, and that is exactly what has happened here. Currently we're sitting at $1.28. We're down about almost 7% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 8.25 billion. 24-hour volume is still quite high, guys, 1.95 billion. Hey guys, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app, and they have amazing benefits, including their Visa card. You receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. See how swiftly we've sold off, guy, over the course of a day. We've gone from $1.47 all the way down to $1.26. That's why it's always really good to take profits. I locked in quite a lot of my profits at $1.37. I got some haters in the comments and Jax, we're pumping. What are you doing, you absolute hooligan? Get off YouTube. You're the worst. It's okay to take profits a little bit early, guys. If you want to wait till the very peak, no one really knows when that's going to be, and it can sell off. As you can see here, it can sell off rather quickly. So if you took a mid-afternoon nap, you might have lost all your gains. All right, guys, we did have this head and shoulders pattern here that has broken down. So your breakdown target would bring you right down to this level of support, this major level, guys, that $1.23, $1.24, major level of support, major level of resistance that we've been covering for absolutely months here, but we'll get into that, guys. So it does look like that's where we're coming down to, $1.24. So do look for a little bit of a bounce from that area. Now, there was such a massive bearish divergence, and I hope you guys saw this from watching the channel. You've learned a little something. You can see here we created a high right here. We created a higher high. Look at the RSI, guys. Lower high. Look at this high. And look how we extended all the way up to $1.47, and we created a significantly lower high on the RSI, and then we just absolutely sold off. So those are always very strong indicators, guys. Divergences. The fact that we were just pumping, and Ethereum was so overextended. Always good to lock in those juicy gains, but not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. All right, guys. So we're going to pop over into the daily chart. So we still have this breakout target from our massive bull pennant here at $1.58. Now I have dropped in our $1.24, that massive level of support. If we were to lose that, guys, I do think there's a high likelihood that we would bounce right at about $1.15, because that would allow the EMAs to catch up to the candles here. As you can see here, we're having the bullish cross, which is a massive signal of strength, guys. We love to see the bullish cross on the daily. So what we want to see is we find support at $1.24. If we lose that, we want to bounce off $1.15. We're going to quickly look at Ethereum, guys. So as I've been saying with Ethereum, we're overextended, we're going to correct, and that's exactly what we're seeing now, and it's selling off quite swiftly here. So there was an absolutely massive bearish divergence on the 4-hour. Like I've said, on the hourly and on the 4-hour chart, divergences can take quite a long time to play out. And you can see all the way from basically July 26th to August 11th, we were pumping. The price was continuing to rise, and the RSI was continuing to fall. So massive divergence, but it took a long time to play out. If we quickly pop over to the daily, guys, I talked about how we're overextended from the EMAs, guys. We're going to correct. The harder we pump, the harder the correction. Now, Ethereum is extremely strong and would be absolutely mind-blowing to me if we were to find support at 2961 and consolidate. But if we were to break that level, we have a good opportunity to bounce off about 2762. Would allow the EMAs to catch back up to the candles here. But 2961 is a pretty massive level of support. You can see actually it would be a bit of a zone here. Oh, good Lord. Why did that have to happen to me? Dear Lord, why must you embarrass me in front of thousands? It's all good. I do not care about the opinions of others, but sometimes I do. All right, guys, so this zone here in between 2961 and about 2871 would be a terrific area to find support and allow the EMAs to catch up to the candles, and would show tremendous strength here for Ethereum. We are quite overextended. If we were to lose the EMAs, if we were to come down and lose the EMAs, Then our next level of support here is about 2641. You can see it was a previous swing high, and there's quite a bit of support in that area as well. But I do think we have a good chance to bounce off the EMAs here. This correction was due. We were anticipating it, guys. We can't just pump to the moon. But once we bounce here and we break 3271, which is our high, there's not a lot of support and resistance in this area, so I've drawn these little squigglies here. And your next price target would be 4163, which is basically our all-time high, which would just be incredible, guys. So do keep an eye on these levels of support here, 2961 and 2871. I think we have a really good opportunity to bounce off these levels. Now, there is one thing that I want to make you guys aware of that's bearish, and all the bears in their caves want to come out and play and see this happen, and it's a major dead cat bounce where we've created our high here and we've come down, we've had a massive correction, and then we have our relief rally, a dead cat bounce, and we come very close to reaching our all-time high once again, and then we just roll over and we go into a bear market. I think it's unlikely, guys, but it is something I'd like to make you guys aware of, right? So that's basically it for this one. Your levels of support, $1.24, major level. Wow, this is an absolutely crazy red candle. If you went short on Matic here, you're making some absolutely juicy profits. And if we lose $1.24, then $1.15 is a major level of support. See the resistance in this area. And if we scroll back, let me go to the 4 hour so it's more visible. There's so much resistance in this area too. So that would be a major level for us. All right, guys. So that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it brought you some value. Please make sure to sign up to Bybit for up to $1,600 in bonuses. Expires August 18th. Check out the Discord. We have over 1,000 members. We're posting chart patterns to help you stay ahead of the game as a trader. It's the price of a coffee. Great way to support the channel. This is actually juice, but that's okay. Delicious mango. And follow me on social, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, peace, much love, take care.